at standard cost adjustments and where these accounts come from, we'll point out I did set these accounts a little bit different. So here I've got this 5850 is my standard cost adjustments account. So if I put in a standard cost adjustment, it's going to use that 5850. And this is going to be to adjust inventory's value. If I roll up standard cost, now let's get to bill of material here. I do have a variance on this one assembly that will actually issue for. So if I run this roll up here, it does create a new standard cost going to that 5850. So this becomes my standard cost adjustment account according to the business rules. So this is adjusting the standard cost, the inventory value. Then, again, I'll kind of delete these just to kind of make sense of this. And then we have this IN account code. So ultimately, I do have a standard cost variance. Keep in mind, too, just to kind of point out a number of things. I am in a standard cost environment. Let's see here. So you can see I'm in a standard cost environment. So on this particular production order, I do have a variance right now. So right now, if I come over here, my cost, I've got 303. If we go to the inventory item, and of course, this is all locations. Let's take a look at one here and we issue the production order. My standard cost is currently $300. So if I issue a production order, I should have a $3 variance. So if we take a look at, we'll do the Minnesota location. And if I look at the IN account codes, I've got COGS adjustment, PPV, everything going to a different account. My standard cost variance is 5,200 and 5,200.01. So this particular item to the Minnesota location is using 01, so that should be this top one. So I should be using this 5,200. So ultimately, if we issue a production order, and we'll issue it to the Minnesota location. And we will record our production activity, and we'll record it with a standard backflush, and we'll see where that $3 heads. So we're in production order 307, so we're going to backflush. Cool. We'll save that. We'll mark the order as being complete. And we'll post production activity. So as we can see, and it's a little bit higher up, I have a $3 hit to my 5,200 account, which is my standard cost variance account. So it's not the PPV account. So let's go back. So you can see that $3.12, which is the difference between my standard and my standard cost in manufacturing and the standard cost on the item. So if I head to the IN account codes, you can see the 5,200 account, not the 5,100, which is a PPV. So standard cost variance works identically as the PPV except the production. The business rule is used for changing standard cost where I have a quantity on hand and I'm saying the standard cost used to be $10, now it's 11, so I need to not only up my inventory valuation, but I have to have my GL backing for that. So looks like, I think we're good to go with what Jason had described. Thank you.